Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's not just Bristow and me today, we have a special guest joining us. It's our little niece Ezra. We've been wanting to take her out for a little trip for a while now. So for today, it's just the three of us. Do come along with us to see how we've spent the day. So we drove to this little town called Port Dover, and we've got three exciting stops planned. First, we are visiting a hidden gem, a lesser known waterfall called the Lynn River Falls.
See the waterfall very close, right? Nice place, right? Yeah. I lift you to the water.
Taking a video, we can take screenshot.
We're getting somewhere else.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's too much. Oh, she takes. No.
So we were having a great time there at the fall, but since we hadn't packed a change of clothes, we couldn't really fully enjoy playing in the water. But we did dip our feet in and had some fun. And also, a few kids came up to us excitedly showing us a shrimp that they had caught in their bottle while they were trying to fill it with water. Unfortunately, I did not shoot it, and also, Ezra had mentioned that this is the closest she has ever been to a waterfall, and we were happy to be a part of that moment with her.
I want to check
But there's no shade there.
And there's so many bugs here. Let's go to that one. It's just bugs. dresses and satin sashes. Snowflakes that stay on my nose and my lashes. So will I winter that turn into spring. These are a few of my favorite things. No. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite thing, and then I don't feel so bad. We should go to a cross.
Run, run, run. Are you okay? Your shoe is not tied?
Oh no, that's how it's meant to be. Like, it's already old. So I know it's
No, the phone.
No, ഇവിടെ അവർ ചെയ്യും കേട്ടോ.
Also get one banana milkshake. Can I also get one banana milkshake? Yeah.
A single, a double, and a banana milkshake.
That's right. How is it?
18